Hey guys, welcome to Chris Fix. No, I'm playing.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
What is up? It is your boy. No, I'm playing. Hold that thought. Anyway, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. We got another good one for you today. Today we're gonna be working on painting our calipers red. Jesus, we're painting the calipers red, and we're gonna be doing it without taking the calipers off of the rotor first. So let's see if that's even possible. And before that, I want to go shopping on my for find me some rims. So rude, man. I'm trying to shoot an intro over here, and people up here want to handle work business and stuff. We're gonna go ahead and start shopping for some rims real quick. Let's get to it. And hop on offerup.com. Chrome. That's not how you spell Chrome. CH. Oh, I'm not even paying attention. I'm waiting for the word to pop up. Ring. Look for 6 lugs. 20-inch. Ooh, God. No, you can keep it. What are those? What are those? Let's see what those fit on. I got some of these. What a waste of money that was. I just knew I was about to pop them boys right on the rims that I had. I thought I was gonna be like, yeah, you can get these and we ain't even gotta worry about getting the rims. It's gonna be all shiny and junk. Nope. I'm just riding around without no caps on mine now. No more results. Well, that was short-lived. Okay, here we go. 22s, GMCs. I ain't checking how much they 15. Woo! 19 miles away. That's a hike. Chevy Tahoe, GMC. What they look like? They say GMC on them. These boys kind of trip. I don't know about 15. Let's see if we can shop around and see if we can find a better price than that. GMC 1,000. Them just rims though. I want rims and tires. Oh, those are pretty. Those are very pretty. Those red on blacks. I'm on chrome. You selling the whole truck? Yeah, you are. Oh my Jesus. Can I say that? I probably can't say that on the radio. Oh wow. That's a really good deal. Folks, I think we found them. I think these are it. I like these. Let's go ahead and make an offer.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Get a little bit of gasoline.
By itself?
Lay down here.
Okay. Well, there's no way somebody took it.
Yeah, I want to see that too. Thank you. Let's pay for these rims, and next we off to Walmart to get that caliper paint.
I gotta see this.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
We found the caliper paint at your local Walmart. It is rated at a pretty high temperature. It is going for a price of $6.97. So let's get home and get to painting those calipers.
Bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
All right, we're back. Just picked up the tires. Look good. Got some nice tread on the tires. Yeah, so I think that was a really good deal. What you think? So we're gonna go ahead and get this caliper paint started, and after that, we're gonna install the new tires. I'm going to be going from these factory rims on my 99. I'm going to be upgrading to the 2007 to 2011 models, or I think it's 2007 to 2014, something in that range. Thinking I was just going to throw these on here and call it good. Or was I mistaken? Throw my chalks down. Ooh, this stuff ain't shook up well enough. This stuff is coming out like water. You know what, let me get my... I like this because it comes, I could place it and my steering wheel cover. Whew. Jesus, why am I trying to do this with my right hand? All right, this is going to be just a light coat. Boy, that's a serious red. God, this is, you have no idea how hard this is to do. You're doing it with the offhand. That's a serious red, though. This stuff is like water. I don't know what's going on here. I think I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. I think that turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? I think it was pretty good. Not bad at all for not taking it off the rotor. It was good. So let's move on to installing the tires now. Oh, God. Are those brand new or something? Huh. I was worried I didn't jack this up high enough. Let's go ahead and give this a lipsy. Try to line this up. Put it in place. Woo-wee! And we got it. Fits like a glove. It'd be funny if this didn't even fit. The answer is no to that question, by the way. I'm zigzagging with how I'm installing these. Going crisscross, going diagonal. Took with the bajunga. And now let me grab my gloves in case I gotta. I'm being careful handling this rusty 4-way. Now the tire is on, let me lower it so I can move the jack to the back for the other tire. finish tightening these on here. Diabolical boss. Got the song in my head now. All right. Go ahead and remove these chalks so I could put them on a different tire, so I can take this tire off. Here she go. There she go. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Boom. It's fully loose. Got them all in place. Now let's give them a tighten on all of them. Perfect. All right, this is the final product. It's clean. Man, that's so clean. $7 paint from Walmart. Some rims off of a different Yukon. Tell me what you think. Hit that like, subscribe, tap auto. We out.
Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.